Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can create a JSON file for Eway Bill. So basically on TranZact, once you create invoice or challan, Eway Bill creation need to be done. So from TranZact you cannot create the Eway Bill, but you can generate the JSON file which you can upload on Eway Bill portal and then create the Eway Bill. Let me guide you. On your left hand side you will see an option of Eway Bill. Click on this. Now here all the invoices and challan which you have created will get listed. Do remember that the documents which will be get displayed in Eway Bill will be ranging in the 7 days. So this is one of the invoice which I have created. So select this invoice. On your right hand side you will see an option of fetch data. Click on this fetch data here. So this is particularly the Eway Bill format for the JSON which get open. Below are provided all the necessary details. If you get any error, please check that is it falling into the line of this all the requirement or not. So this requirement are from the Eway Bill portal itself. Now please check all the details are here. Also, as the address need to be entered because the location need to be exact. So I will put 820 kilometer here. Now here is the option of generate JSON. So click on this generate JSON and accordingly it will ask that you are generating part A only. So there are part A and part B in the Eway Bill. So you can select it. So here I will click on OK, and then this particular JSON will get downloaded. I can use this JSON file to upload on Eway Bill portal in order to generate the Eway Bill number. I hope this particular video was helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.